First impressions are important. Many people think that a green lawn year-round is impossible and impractical in the desert. However, artificial turf is a perfect landscape alternative to having a low-maintenance evergreen lawn. Arizona's Greenest Grass can help you find the right turf for your lifestyle.
I've been a contractor in Arizona for over 25 years. Started out doing custom kitchens, bathrooms, remodels, additions. Clients asked me if I knew anybody that did hardscaping, turf, pavers, and things like that. Now have transitioned that remodeling from inside to outside to people's backyards, front yards, pool areas. With our water situation here, artificial turf is a very good option. Spend your time enjoying your yard, not doing your maintenance. Water use for turf is very minimal. It is dusty in Arizona. Every so often you need to rinse off a little bit of dust, but other than that, it doesn't require any water usage. We do pavers, travertine, we can do the irrigation, we can do rocks, we can do the plants, we can do lighting, retaining walls, garden walls, block fencing, we do steps, and a lot of other aspects of hardscape and softscape. We bring our samples out to the job with us. We bring all our paver books and colors and things like that, travertine samples, turf samples, all that comes with us when we come out. We go over everything so they understand what the differences are as well as what their options are.
Not all turf is the same. The newest generation of artificial grass is designed to be realistic and built to last. There are also many different textures and blade lengths.
The artificial turf that first came out, you may have heard the term AstroTurf. That was a specific brand, and it was because it was used in the Astrodome. The turf today has evolved many generations, and there's different heights available, blade designs and structure, and it's also designed for different uses. For example, we have a pet turf that we use for our clients that have dogs, and it's constructed to be much tougher for rough dog play, but it's also constructed to be short and dense to make cleanup easier, with a permeable backing allowing the urine to pass through it rather than sit on top of the turf. Shorter turf is generally for higher traffic or for pets. A softer turf is like you see here. It's for a pool area, and it's lush and taller and a little thicker. We also have playground turf that's made for playground areas or where children are at play. There's also different blade colors. And the thatch has at least 2 different colors, depending on the turf choice. We bring samples out to all of our clients so they can pick the turf that's right for them. But the thatch has some different colors built into it, including brown, to make it more realistic looking and look more like grass. We only sell USA-made turf because we can guarantee the quality of the product. If it's imported, we don't know what the testing has gone through, and the turf that we use goes through a rigorous testing process. It is certified lead-free and also free of any toxins. We feel that's safer for our clients. We also feel that that's safer for their children and the pets that they own. The TigerCool technology is built into the turf. It's going to be up to 15% cooler than the surrounding surfaces, so certainly getting out of the pool and walking on the turf is going to be very pleasant. Natural grass does not grow very well here in Arizona. I know after having tried to grow it for over 15 years, it requires a high amount of water, a lot of maintenance, and here in Arizona we're having to reseed once a year. And usually that means you have dormant grass for anywhere from 3 to 6 months. And that also creates a lot of debris around your pool area. So turf helps keep your pool and your patio much cleaner. And if you have pets, they're not tracking in the dirt and the mud into the house.
Here are some tips from the experts at Arizona's Greenest Grass to help you find the right turf for your needs.
So in Arizona, it's very dusty. So one good benefit of having turf in the yard is to keep the dust down, keep it out of the house. Made with microbands, so it also helps repel pests and scorpions and other creatures from living and harboring inside of the backyard area and around your family. Another good benefit of having turf installed in the backyard is to add a little bit of beauty, a little bit of color pop to the backyard, giving it a nice place to be outside of the home. Arizona's Greenest Grass wants you to feel like family, and coming from a family-owned business, we understand the importance of that more than anyone else. So when we leave one of our jobs, we want you and your family to be able to go out and enjoy that yard for many years to come with yours.
As a design consultant, part of my job is, to draw up the quotes like this and help people work and help design their yards. It's also part of my job to help them pick out the proper materials for what they're looking for their wants and needs. Do they have kids? Do they have pets? Do they have a pool? What are they going to use the yard for? Is it decorative? Things like location, where in the yard? Is it shady? Is it sunny? Is it close to a window? There's a lot of different factors that play into what is going to affect the design and also the use of the turf. I definitely do enjoy working with our customers, and I love to see them happy and to see them get the yard that they've dreamed of and really just revitalize the area and really bring some life back into it.
Turf lawns are also great for outdoor activities and recreation. It's perfect for playing games, hosting events, and spending time outside with friends and family.
Our experience was fantastic. We couldn't be happier the way the backyard turned out. The communication that we had with Arizona's Greenest Grass was superb. They communicated everything they said they were going to do. If we had any questions, we can get a hold of them. They return their phone calls. And important to us, besides the way it turned out, is their workers would come to the house, announce themselves. They wouldn't just show up in the backyard when they wanted to. Every night after work, they would clean up. They'd leave the place clean, everything stacked if they were going to come back the next day. And we were very happy with all that.
I had a design in mind. I was very concerned about if it would be able to be executed somewhat close to my archaic drawing, I guess you could say. And they did an amazing job. Everything, the measurements were spot on. Everything was put where I wanted it to be. Could not have asked for a better execution of that. Arizona's Greenest Grass allowed us to be able to not only have a beautiful backyard and make our design come true, but kind of gave us the gift of being able to spend more time with friends and family and doing the things that we want to do. And for that, we're very appreciative and very grateful.
Yes, and in using Arizona's Greenest Grass, this backyard is almost an extension of our house. We look out the window, we see at night the lighting, the grass, the travertine, and like I said, it's an extension. We can come out from the house to the backyard. It just adds more room and more enjoyment throughout the years down here.
We've had challenging experiences with other contractors here, and this was the most enjoyable, the easiest, the best executed, and the one contractor you should call because of their quality, 100% quality.
Yeah, they know what they're doing. Everything from the start to the finish is very professional. All their crews, people in the office, asking the right questions, fulfilling the questions, the answers, very happy. They have a lot of fun working together. You can tell by their communication and jokes and everything. It's a real fun family, and it's nice to be part of that.
Today's hectic lifestyle requires a low-maintenance solution. Artificial grass is a smart choice for anyone looking to improve their outdoor living space.
Artificial turf is a perfect solution for today's lifestyle. People are busy. Often they're commuting, or even if they're working from home, they're on Zoom calls. And a lot of people don't want to spend time doing the yard work, especially in June and July and August when we're hitting triple-digit temperatures. So instead of maintaining their yard, they can come out with their free time and use the yard. And it's green year-round. They're not worried about brown spots in their lawn. They're not worried about the homeowners association telling them that their lawn is dead, or it's got brown spots, or it's overgrown. So turf is green year-round, and that adds to the beauty of your home.
Want to know more about Arizona's Greenest Grass? Visit azgreenestgrass.com and visit us at designingspaces.tv.